Alright, what's up? Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're watching this recording from. So, a quick update on the situation we have on gold at the moment. So, looking at the weekly, we can see a few things. It's not quite clear what the market is trying to do from a weekly perspective, but if you look close enough, you see that we are in a downtrend, an established downtrend on the weekly. So, from this top, sorry guys, excuse me, we had this leg. Oh my god. I have a lot of things on this chart. Let me use a different chart for gold. Okay, gold. Huh, Forex. Gold dollar. Why? Okay, let's do this. XAU. Any other exchanges? Everything. Okay, good. Here we go. I think I already have something with. Good. So here we go on the weekly. All we have is that we had this impulse originating from here, stored here, went a bit lower there, then went all the way back up there. So we had the following kind of move. Then it was followed by this, a lower high, a lower low, lower high, a lower low, lower high, and a lower low. That could be come and feel the imbalance zone down there. So let's remove more drawings quickly. So a few things that we can take note of here. This level right here has already been met in terms of price. It's already been retested. Here we have a week to week right there, so we can say price has been efficiently made. So from here we can expect the price to drop. Okay, good. Let us do a bit of measurements to see if we're in premium pricing or discount pricing. Let's pull up our feed. So if you're trying to sell, so this is where the leg originated from. So yeah, if you're trying to sell the market, right, you don't want to do anything below the 50%. So at least we see, okay, the 50% has already been tested and rejected when we could fall reaching somewhere in this zone right here to feel an imbalance, say right here. So you see how it fits very well. There's an imbalance here. This gap you see needs to be felt before market can do other things. That's not to say the market can go upwards. So now let's get a better picture as we look at the daily time frame. See what we have. On the daily time frame, it's pretty clear what gold is doing. So let me do this. So we had a high point right here. So this is our leg. Then from here we've been doing all this, doing all this, doing all this, doing these minor legs and this big one before we fell, and you could see something like that. Now, what we have to keep in mind is that for everything that has been happening on gold at the moment, we still have respected this leg. Sorry, there and there. These are our limits. This is our range for gold. And as long as it remains here, we are still bullish on gold. That's not to say you have to be buying all the time, but you have to have specific zones where you want to buy it from, right? So what did we say gold do? So from here to here, this move didn't create anything, but from here, this is the move that broke structure to the upside, breaking this, and from there, market never looked back and went all the way. So we came broke below, and now we're trying to test higher. The only thing I see as something that we could potentially test, looking at prices higher, is the following. So we can forget about that range is too high. So this is our low, and this is our high. I'll use this line. As you can see, we have an imbalance right there when price broke to the downside. So price could potentially go and fill this zone. That's not to say it has to, but that's something that we should be watching out for. Then on the 4-hour time frame, so let's begin to dissect. So what broke this low? So then what broke this low came from here. So from here, market stopped here, went up, came, stopped, went back up, mitigated down, went back up to mitigate, closed down, went up, went back to mitigate. So price has been efficiently dealt with above. So I don't know why we still have this line. So we're gonna keep trailing it until we remain with the zone that has inefficient price action. So from here we dropped down, price went back to mitigate right there, leaving this as almost valid high right there. And here we've been high, 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 low, high, 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 low, 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 high, low, high, low, low. Then here we broke above high, 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 low. But here we've been failing to create a high, high. But what's impressive is that we did kind of mitigate this zone right here with a week to week kind of formation. Okay, right there. Then what followed next? Let's go on the 3-hour chart. So on the 4-hour, we have this leg here, there, 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 there. So what is our range? Our range is actually, so now I'm going to change my range from here to potentially here, because this is what we have after breaking this high here. We acted off of this, came here, created this. So we're trying to see, are we going to break here and come for a retest and go down, or we're going to continue going up and break above, come for a retest and continue going to seek higher prices. We don't know about that yet. So what can we focus on? Seeing how price develops tomorrow, we can make a better judgment. But as far as the 1-hour chart is concerned, this was properly mitigated, price fell. So let's see if there's something in here that we can focus our eye to right here. So let's go to the 2-hour. There's nothing much to see. Let's go to the 1-hour. So on the 1-hour, you see it, right? So is this something valid? Yeah, we have liquidity right here. Sorry. So from here we took out this. We had relatively equal highs.